Welcome to the Nomadics Configuration Guide. We are going to archive the configuration on the Nomadics Internet Traffic Optimizer. Once you've logged into the UI, you will reach the dashboard. Once you reach the dashboard, you can then go to the System menu, to the Maintenance submenu, and the Archive submenu. Click on the Archive submenu, and then you can now create a profile for your archives. From the drop-down, you have the ability to create multiple. We will use the top empty profile and hit select. We will create a name for this profile, and we will name it Archive. If you want it to automatically back up once a week, you can check the box next to automatic backup. For this example, we will not use the automatic backup. And if you want to create a specific comment to identify what this profile is, you can enter it here. For our example, we will not use that. The next setting is to determine what settings are going to be archived. For this example, we will check the box next to all for all settings. If you want to select only specific settings, you can individually select each setting. Any setting with a symbol like this, with the arrow to the right, means an archive created on one unit with only these items selected can be loaded onto a different Nomadics Internet Traffic Optimizer to mirror the settings. Once we go through and validate all the settings are selected that we want to utilize in this archive, we can then also determine whether or not we want to archive the logs as well. You can select individual logs, or you can select them all. For this example, we will only be utilizing settings and no logs. You now have the option to either save the profile that you created or save and run a backup. For this example, we will save and backup, so we will click on that button. As you can see, there is a new archive in the list with the name of the unit and the date taken, which is today's date. You can then determine if you want to download that archive to an external source by clicking the checkbox next to mark for that archive and clicking download, and then you can save it locally. We have now archived the configuration for the Nomadics Internet Traffic Optimizer.